ABCD is a rectangle with sides AB equal to 56 and BC as 45. So ABCD is a rectangle like this, and in which AB is 56 and BC is 45. E is the midpoint on side CD. This is the midpoint. Okay. Then the length in centimeter of radius of encircle of triangle ADE. So triangle ADE is this, and we want to calculate the encircle and the in radius. Encircle is the circle which will touch all three sides and can be inscribed in the triangle, and we want to calculate the radius of this. So let's assume this to be R. So this side is 45. This is E is the midpoint, which means DE is 28 and angle D is 90 degree. So ADE is a right angle triangle. So if you want to calculate AE, it will be under root 45 square plus 28 square. 45 is 2025. 28 square is 84. Then 3, 4, 784, which means this will be under root 5 plus 4, 9, 0, 8, 2, and 2809, under root 2809 is 53. So we have AE as 53. Now we know that area of triangle ADE is half into AD into DE, or the area of triangle can also be calculated by this formula, which is in radius into semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter? It is sum of the three side by 2, which is 45 plus 53 plus 28 by 2. So this is 98, 126 by 2 or 63. Let's plug in the values. Half AD is 45, DE is 28 equal to R into semi-perimeter, which is 63. So 9 5s are 9 7s are 7 4s are 28. R equal to 10. So the in radius here is 10 centimeter.